Hey man, so I'm using Photoshop to do this. This is the photo I'm going to show you on, and this is real easy to do. It's basically 3 steps is really what it is. And all of your work is going to be inside the image toolbar right here, and in the adjustments subtool thing right here. Image adjustments. The first thing you do, and this really only works for black and white. I mean, you can do it with colors too, but it'd just be a longer process. So what you're going to do, but it'd be the same basic thing for colors anyways, so I'm just going to show you. First thing is image adjustments, and you want to get rid of all of the color that's in this picture. So you go to hue and saturation, and all you do is turn the saturation all the way down, so you have nothing right there. Right, color's gone. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to make all those grays black, and then I'm going to add colors and replace the grays. So all I do is go back to image adjustments, this time brightness and contrast. Bang. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it dark, so I'm going to turn the brightness all the way down, or to a level that you like. And then what the contrast is going to do is it's not so much going to make the light spots lighter, but it's going to make the dark spots darker. So I'm going to turn the contrast up, and I think that's pretty good right there. So 150 and 89 for this picture. It's not going to be the same for every picture. Now I'm like, okay, I got the black I want. Now I want to make his chest piece red. So I use the lasso tool, which is the tool I'm using now, which is over here on the toolbar. You can also push the L key for the lasso tool. On your toolbar, you might see a circular lasso, or the line lasso, or the magnet lasso. The magnet lasso tool is a wicked pain in the ass and total waste of time. You can use it, but I'm telling you, man, just don't even bother with it. Lasso tool is kind of cool if you want it to draw with the selection tool, which is basically what this is. I like the line tool because it's fast and simple, and that's what I'm trying to do. It's fast and simple. So line, lasso tool. All I do is just start with a corner, down here in this area. You can see that, like, it recesses into his chest. I only want the metal part, I mean the gears and stuff, so I try and make it still look 3D by not getting that recess in his chest. And that's it. So now I want to turn this to red. So now I go to image adjustments and I go to color balance. This is all of your colors you're going to need, and you can play with the red and add some magenta and add some blue to change the things. You can change the shadows and highlights, but that's, again, you don't even need to do that. You just want to stay in mid-tones. And if you have preserve luminosity, I guess leave it there. Anytime you open the color balance window, even if you've already used it seconds before, it goes to 0 on all of these. And all I'm going to do is take the top one and make it red. But that's still kind of dark. I want it brighter, right? So like I said, okay, go back to image adjustments, color balance again, add some more red. See, now it's brighter. Boom. Now I'm going to deselect this by right-clicking, deselect, or you can just click somewhere off on the side and it'll deselect itself. So that's red, and that's it. With like grays, whites, and blacks, it's a little simpler. You just, say you want to get his bicep right here. I'm not going to get the whole bottom of the bicep because that's all dark shadow, so why would I get that? You just take that, and it's not a color. Black and white is a value, gray is a value. It's not a color, so it's not going to be in the color balance. You go image adjustments, back to brightness and contrast. And all you do is you just turn the brightness up. See? Sometimes you'll do this, you'll turn the gray all the way up, and it'll make all these detailed lines look too flat. So it doesn't have like the depth and like the shadows. So all you would do for that is go down to the contrast and basically turn up the shadows. See what I mean? Down, up. I think 0 is fine, or 1, whatever. Okay, and then this time, I can right click and deselect, or I can just click off on the side and it disappears. Oops. That's basically it, man. It's that simple. You can do it with all colors in that color balance window, and yeah, that's it, man. So Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.